Pocket Springs. It's Monday of December, Saturday.
He told Thomas that he was about to send him on a very special mission. Although he told anyone about it, he put his boiler in a vice and squeezed it very hard. Thomas was attached to 6 meter dirty tank carriages. One of them said, "What are you staring at, you fancy little pillow biter?" Thomas was not expecting this. I was directed to this warehouse where a bunch of men, filthy overalls, were waiting. They started to fill his tankers with purple slime. Some rooms decorated with a skull and crossbones. Soon all the tankers were full, and they headed off. After one of the men gave the truck controller a large brown paper bag. The truck controller made Thomas until they came to a clean field. The fat controller opened the valves on all the tankers and let the smelly purple slime ooze out onto the mush screen. As the sun went down, Thomas marveled at the beauty of the rural scene. As the river of purple slime dug, yes, Thomas started to change. Although in comparison, that they dumped all the purple slime, the fat control extended holiday in South America, and everyone lived happily ever after.